Okay, question 18. Make t the subject of the following formula. Now, this is like solving equations, except you won't get a numerical answer at the end. You'll just have, in this case, t equals to something involving q and some other numbers. So, to get t the subject, we need to get t equals. What I would do here is, first of all, is think about taking the 6 over the other side. Okay, so you have q minus 6 equals 5t. Okay, as soon as you do that, then you've got 5t on its own. You want to get t equals, so really you've just got to get rid of this 5 now, and because we times in, take it over and divide. So you have q minus 6 divide by 5 equals t. So there's your answer. Okay, q minus 6 over 5 equals t. And you've got t the subject. You can, if you want, then write it the other way around, so it makes more sense. Okay, you don't have to, but you might decide to do that. Okay, so question 19. Expand the bracket. Okay, you want to get m equals, so expand the bracket, so you have 6m minus 3t, multiply through by 3, that equals 2t plus 7. 6m equals 2t plus 7, bring that minus 3 over, so it becomes plus 3t, so you have 6m equals 5t plus 7, and then to get m on its own, do 5t plus 7, divide the whole side by 6. Okay, number 20, make r the subject of the following formula. Again, take the d over, so it becomes minus d, and then you've got to just divide by 3. You've got to divide the whole thing by 3, because each time is in by 3 here. When you take the 3 over, the whole side needs to be divided by 3. Okay, here you need to expand both brackets, so 8w minus 24y equals 3w plus 6y. Okay, the w's on their own, so 8w minus 3w equals 6y plus 24y. That becomes 5w, that becomes 30y, so w will equal 30y, divide by 5. You can actually work that out, because 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay? This one here, again, expanding the bracket. Okay, so 2c minus t equals 20 minus 4c. So do that first. Get the c's onto one side. So 2c plus 4c equals 20 plus t. So 6c equals 20 plus t. So c will equal 20 plus t divided by 6. Next one, make h equals. Now you need to get h on its own, but you divide it by f. Okay, now be careful here, because what you don't want to be doing at this stage is taking the f over and timesing. The reason why is, if you on this side, we're not dividing the whole thing by f. We're only dividing this by f. So what I would do is take the g over first. And make it a minus. Now you've got everything on this side divided by f. So you can take the f over and times, but you need to times the whole side, so maybe use a bracket would be best. And then to get a h, you just need to take that 3 over. We're timesing here, so when you take it over, you'll divide. So you might want to write it like this. Number 24, the square root, okay, equals m. Now we square root in the whole side. So because it's square root in the whole side, you can take that over to the other side and do the opposite. Of course, the opposite of square rooting is squaring. So you end up in that. You square that side. We want n equals, so again, straightforward, take the 4p over and take away, and then n will equal m squared minus 4p over 3. Number 25, you've got k squared, you want to get k equals. Now we will have to take that square over and square root at some point, but if you do that to start with, you'll be doing the wrong thing. The reason why is we're actually only squaring the k here. It's k squared. The 3 hasn't been squared. So we have to deal with that 3 first. If you take that 3 over, it's m divided by 3. Now you can take the square over because we're squaring everything on this side. So when you take the square over, you actually have to then do the opposite and square root this side. You need to square root it all. So you need a big square root to show that.